After launching the Vivo Y300 Pro in China this September, the company is now gearing up to introduce the standard Vivo Y300 5G in China on December 16. The device is shaping up to be a media powerhouse with a massive rear-mounted speaker housed inside the camera ring that's co-developed with AAC Technologies. The phone will offer 600% loud volume and 3D panoramic audio. The Vivo Y300 features a center-position punch-hole cutout on the front for the selfie snapper and a flat screen. Y300 5G gets a 6.77-inch OLED screen and a 120Hz refresh rate, 1300 nits peak brightness, and SGS eye protection. The phone has a boxy chassis with rounded corners. The volume rocker and power button are present on the right edge. Moving to the back, there is a large squarish module, which houses the dual camera sensors and an LED flash ring, a 50MP main camera and a 2MP depth and 8MP front-facing camera. The Vivo Y300 will measure just 7.79mm in thickness and pack a large 6,500 mAh ultra-thin blue ocean battery. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.